Hyundai unleashes $7.05 K carbon kit for Ioniq 6N. Hyundai is offering a high-performance carbon fiber upgrade package for the Ioniq 6N, dramatically enhancing the electric vehicle's track capabilities and aggressive styling. Priced at approximately $7,500, the kit includes a prominent swan neck rear wing, a sharper front splitter, revised side skirts, and a rear diffuser extension, all finished in exposed carbon fiber. Performance enhancements. The centerpiece of the kit is the adjustable rear wing, inspired by designs found on high-performance sports cars like the Porsche 911 GT3. It features a double-deck configuration with 3 angle settings: 8 degrees, 0 degrees, and -8 degrees. At 257 km/h, 160 mph, the wing generates between 265 and 305 kilograms, 580–472 pounds of downforce, significantly improving stability at high speeds. A complementary underbody deflector adds an additional 16 kilograms, 35 pounds of downforce. The kit also includes lightweight 20-inch forged wheels with a 12-spoke design, reducing unsprung mass by 1.5 kilograms, 3 pounds, per wheel compared to the standard aero wheels. Owners can further customize the exterior with a racing stripe, a sable toe strap, carbon center caps, and black wheel nuts. Interior upgrades. Inside, the performance enhancements continue with a Pasubio leather-wrapped steering wheel, suede armrests, carbon fiber scuff plates, and floor mats branded with the N Performance logo. Hyundai also offers Ferodo brake pads designed for both street and circuit use, ensuring optimal stopping power. Power and performance. The Ioniq 6N already delivers impressive performance with dual electric motors, producing a combined 641 HP, 478 kW/650 PS, and 770 Nm, 568 lb-ft of torque when using the N-Grin boost function. This allows the EV to accelerate from 0–100 km/h, 62 mph, in just 3.2 seconds. The N division has integrated features such as simulated gear shifts, synthesized exhaust sounds, and an N drift optimizer, adding to the driving experience. Availability and cost. Hyundai first announced these N performance parts in July 2025. They are now available for order in Korea and will roll out to other international markets shortly. The full aero package costs $11 million, approximately $7,500. While the rear wing alone costs $4,900,000, $3,400. In Korea, the Hyundai Ioniq 6N starts at $79.9 million, $54,700. The US version is expected to be priced around $68,000 when it arrives next year. This upgrade kit caters to enthusiasts seeking to maximize the performance and visual aggression of the Ioniq 6N, blurring the lines between road and track.